Good morning, welcome to my allotment. As the title of this video says, this is the Sunflower Challenge update. For those of you who don't know, Nick at Nick's Allotment Diary is running a Sunflower Challenge this year. He has two categories. The first is sunflower with the biggest head, and by that he means the diameter of the head across from one side to the other, and the second category is a sunflower with the most heads in flower at one time. Now, I planted mine way back in the spring, and they've all this week flowered properly. I've only got 4, but I'm quite pleased with them. They're quite beautiful looking at them there, but I suspect neither or any one of them is going to win the Sunflower Challenge this year. The one on the left of the picture there is probably the one with the biggest head, but I would say, without measuring it, and I can't reach it without standing on a chair or a step ladder, but I would guess it's about 6 to 8 inches across, if that. So I know Nick has one. He did an update last week. He's got one with a head that's at least 12 inches across. So I don't think we're going to win on that category. Neither do I think we're going to win on the second category, because, as you can probably see, they only have one head each. So beautiful as they are, they're not going to be winning any prizes in Nick's Sunflower Challenge. But it's not winning that's important, it's taking part, and they are beautiful. And I'm really enjoying having them. So I grow sunflowers every year, so it's no hardship entering Nick's challenge, nor is it any shame having sunflowers that don't quite measure up in the categories. But as I say, they're beautiful and I'm enjoying them just the same. Thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you again soon. Take care now. Bye bye.